kind of make some magic with it. And this past year and a half, everything's been running real smooth. Keep working towards world domination.
Yeah. We're going to increase our capacity, times 10, basically. And then we're going to go, up to our 50 to 75,000 units a year. Basically make it like a car. And it's clearly possible, but can you go from building 2 a day to 200-300 in a year or two? No, it's not realistic. And I really like that about the organization. We have a clear path, a clear plan, and we're going to execute.
I think that our principles here are going to result in the lowest cost housing solution and the highest quality and all the other things that come with true mass production.
We do have 150,000 people on the wait list. Yeah. So we are working through that process. We are looking to get our 3rd factory up and running so we can start producing as many units as we can.
BOXABL's been in the fortunate position where a lot of people love what we're doing. So a lot of suppliers are excited to onboard our company into their supply chain. We have a lot of great partners across the globe.
We love that we're from Vegas, so we do have a Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign.
Our production goal in this factory is to be able to produce roughly about 3,600 Casitas a year. That breaks down to about 10 per day, 1 every 90 minutes. And that's just in this factory.
This is like our foam cutting machines, and right now the foam for our walls, everything is cut and produced in our facility.
It hasn't really been done to this level and this scale before. So there was a lot of little nuances that had to get fixed, and they were holistic issues which we didn't know about from the beginning, right? Are we going to have issues with the I-beam slightly flexing where they meet the floors and roofs as the thing unfolds? And we've got a couple of different things we're figuring out now on that side of things, which I'm excited for. A couple of different types of trailering systems. For delivery trailering systems to permanent trailering systems, to scaled large trailering systems with pickup truck vehicles instead of big rigs. So that's been a huge focus as well. I mean, obviously we're still a pretty small design team, but a third of us right now, that's a big focus of ours.
And we managed to scale up this big factory, execute on everything, and deliver in full, all while having historic supply chain issues and COVID-related inflation, shipping containers. So we had every variable problem that you could have thrown at us, and we were able to get through it all. On the factory side, everything is great, and we're especially excited about all the changes that are coming in the pipeline. We think there's huge room for improvement where we are. When we're through it, it'll become kind of a competitive advantage for us and a barrier to entry for others, because in order for someone else to do this, they'll have to get through this stuff. I can say selfishly from BOXABL, all right, that's kind of good, but in general, it's outrageous. It's outrageous, and it's not just the state modular certification. This is federal, local. There's various different regulatory agencies for every step of the way. My mind is just blown every day dealing with this stuff. So we're now in the final stretch of that, getting hopefully Arizona, Nevada, and California first. And I think once we have those three, the rest will be kind of easier to get, because all the work's already been done and submitted, and all the back and forth is done.
mass production in the factory and endless customization by the customer. Customizing is in their name.
Sure.
And we're here for the customer, genuinely here for the customer to have the highest quality, the lowest price, and make these guys as quickly as we can. That's the 3 legs of our stool on the ground.
With the tandems, we're at 34,000 pounds of load.
Hey, we're pulling 2 BOXABLs behind us. Check it out. I'd get off the highway now. It's pretty awesome. Freshly newborn BOXABL baby just came out over there.
Learning how to walk.
It's learning how to walk, right. Well, that was 31 minutes and 38 seconds. So can we do it again in quicker time or what? I'm just kidding. This guy's gonna straggle me.